why you should develop a very mature outlook on the cryptocurrency ecosystem and market by 2030. Now I'm going to share with you from my own personal experience. I got into crypto late 2019, really early 2020. Now back then, there were so many different cryptos. We had yield farming, we were leverage trading, all these different pumps and dumps and all these things happening. Now I was brand new to crypto and I was getting wrecked over and over and over again. When all the dust settled, I had done a beautiful exit strategy and I pulled quite a bit of profits off the table from 2020 to 2022, which started my wealth building cycle. But I started to realize that I must mature as an investor in order to make sure that I build generational wealth for my family. So remember, first they resist it, then they sue it, then they regulate it, then they join it. Draper, okay? Back here, we were in first they resist it, okay? Then they sue it. Now we're in suing, regulation, and joining phase from 2024 to 2030. As regulation in the market matures, I'm going to start to consolidate all my cryptos from the small caps down into the large caps, which are going to be here from 2030 and beyond. So as I profit from 2024 through 2026, you're going to see my portfolio shrink, okay? It's going to condense. It's going to go from this big line to smaller to, this is just an example. I'm not saying it's going to be those three, but the example is by 2030, because I'll be so diversified outside of crypto, taking the crypto profits, ensuring my profits, setting my family up for legacy, getting real estate, more precious metals. I'll be using Bitcoin as my gold, but you'll see my portfolio will mature as regulation and the market matures, right? Then there'll be other boom and bust cycles. There'll be AI, there'll be all kinds of things happening as we move from Web 2.0 to Web 3.0 and industrial to technical. So you'll start to see from 2020, I already matured my portfolio to 2024. We have a bunch of small caps that we capitulated into larger caps. And then by 2030, I'm gonna have a much smaller crypto portfolio, a much more mature crypto portfolio because of my diversification strategy outside. By using the very speculative market to pull profits and get money off the table to secure my family for the long term. So you might wanna start thinking about that and maturing your portfolio as this becomes more regulated, as it goes from the wild, wild west to your new financial system. Warriors, rise, get your shit together, let's go.